In this video, I will guide you through how to recover your Google account if you forgot your password using a mobile phone. First, I went to my mobile home screen and opened Google. Then I tapped on the profile icon in the top right corner. From there, I selected Add Another Account. The Google Sign-in page opened where I saw the email input field. I entered my Google account email address and tapped Next. After that, the password input field appeared. Since I did not remember my password, I tapped on Forgot Password. The account recovery page opened. It showed a message saying that a verification code was sent to my recovery email address, which was partially hidden for security. This happened because I had already added a recovery email to my account. If you have not added a recovery email, you can watch the video link shown on the screen. I will also add the link in the description and pin it in the comments so you can set up a recovery email for better security. In my case, I was not logged into my recovery email, so I tapped on Try Another Way. Another recovery page opened. It asked me to confirm my phone number that was added to my Google account. I could see the last 2 digits of my phone number. There was an input field where I entered my full phone number. Then I tapped on Send. A new page opened with an input field where I needed to enter the verification code sent to my phone number. As soon as I received the code, my mobile automatically detected it. After verification, a welcome back page opened with 2 options: Update Password and Continue. I tapped on Update Password. A new page opened with 2 input fields. In the first field, I entered a new password. In the second field, I re-entered the same password to confirm it. Remember, do not use your old password again. Always create a new and strong password that is different from your previous one. After entering the new password, I tapped on Save Password. Then another page appeared where I tapped on Yes, I am in. After that, one more page appeared and I tapped on I agree. Finally, my Google account was successfully logged in on my mobile phone. And that is how you can recover your Google account password using your phone step by step. If this video helped you, do not forget to like the video, share it with others, and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials.